Hey guys, and today we are going to be testing out 2 kits, and please make sure to watch till the end because this was exciting. We actually, I think one of the matches, I can't remember, but first we're gonna be hopping into a game as Elder Tree, and as you can see, Elder Tree picks up these orbs, but please do make sure to watch till the end, because we will be revealing who won the battle pass. Okay, wait. Oh, there's my teammate. I see he has an axolotl too. Drop a like if you like axolotls. Perfect LC impression. Oh, his teammate left. Okay. So, as you can see, these are the orbs that you consume, and I will get bigger. As you can see, I am almost 200 HP now. Okay, so now we're just gonna Emerald Rush. But first, look at this drippy dance. No. Yeah, this is what Elder Trees do in their spare time. They make TikToks. Okay, so we are going to be doing an Emerald Rush. Look right about. And yep, I was right. It's right here. 3, 2, 1. Emerald Rush. Also, guys, this is a rush for other things like those. No, the area. I forgot. Nope. Yep, there we go. The area got so many butterflies from me. When elders rush. Oh no, the area destroyed our bed and I saw a UFO. My teammate died. Guys, it's just us. We're gonna have to win for our teammate. Guys, we're actually only 3 minutes and 50 seconds into the match. Only 4 minutes? Bro. Okay, guys, let's go and Shermat. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, 7 HP. Guys, we were at 7 HP there for a second. No, give me the diamond. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see the area over there. No. The area is literally right there. Guys, no, they're building to me. Run! Run as fast as you can, Elder Tree. No, they have a pearl. Oh, no. Guys, apples. No. Dang it. Okay. Wait. Oh, it worked. Okay. So, here we are, and now we're going to be using the axolotl Amy. You can buy axolotls. Literally just buy axolotls. Yeah, just buy axolotls. Here we go. Party up. No. Okay, guys, as you can see, we are in a match as Axolotl Amy. This is a good kit. I actually like using it. Helps out my mom when she's about to die. Especially the regeneration axolotl. Later in the video, some crazy things happen with these axolotls. Okay, so first of all, we need to buy the shield axolotl for 20 iron. And we can't get 20 iron right now. We need to rush. I'm out of blocks. We do not rush anymore. Back to the generator. Why didn't they make player collision? That would be so much. That would make it so much harder. Player collision, bed wars. Imagine it. Bro, stop it. Shut up. And my teammate killed him, but we lost all of our iron and my teammate got it. So, I wish I could ask him for it back. But, here we are. Oh, come on. Get in, teammate. Once again, our teammate killed him, but we didn't get the iron. Please give iron. Yes, please give iron. I will ask for iron from you. Oh yeah, guys, look, we now have a shield axolotl swirling around me. Smack. Oh my, guys, did you see him? We literally would have been, we are one shot. We literally would have been killed if my teammate didn't save me. Literally killed. Well, guys, he's coming back, but look, I can combo him now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and who's the combo master now, bro? Who's the combo master now? It's a good thing I wasn't wearing my combo master title in the lobby. Okay, so now we just wait. Wait, guys, I think we can almost purchase. Wait, let's just yeah. Get them diamonds and run back. And now going to get some tier 1. Hey, yo, you tried to steal my iron, bro. Not today. Now we have both our axolotls. Oh my, he's hacking. No, guys, it was just lag. Oh my gosh, the axolotls literally just saved him. Did you see that, guys? Literally just saved him, axolotls. Let's go kill. Our axolotls are unstoppable. Guys, I actually have 2 axolotls IRL right now. So I will be doing a live stream about them to show you. Wait, not a live stream, but I will be doing like just something that's on actual camera, not gaming. Oh no, my teammate! No! You get out of here. You were one of the guys that, and smack. Yeah, take that. Easy. We need to break that bed. We need to break that bed, guys. We need to break that bed. Oh, he thinks I was in the shop the entire time, but I wasn't. And the other one was killed. I don't know why they both fell for that. Why are you guys so dumb? Oh, I see them. And combo. I just like hitting people as they jump, so it just, black bed glitch. It's just like I like comboing people, and then they just like fall. Iron sword. And now let's just break this lucky block. Ooh, we got a zip line, guys. Ooh, speed pie. No. Guys, let's just, and, oh, that's not my spirit. Bad spirit. That's like the thing in Mario Kart where you just like get in first place and then like the guy throws the blue shell at you. Oh, I see you. I see you. Oh, you want them? You want them emeralds? You can have them emeralds because I have all of my axolotls. All 4, as you can see. More M's collecting. Time to collect some M's. M rush, M rush. And combo. Guys, I'm really actually bad at Bed Wars. It's just my axolotls. I'm not bad at Bed Wars, but you know, let's just hi and get out. Hi, guys. I don't want to waste any of my Dodo's HP. Oh, they got a warrior shield, huh? Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Daza. Oh, they only hit me once, and I just. Oh my gosh. That was very funny indeed. Very, 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 very funny. And swipe. Oh, let's just kill this into the void, I guess if you want to live your life like that. They almost killed the bird. Wait, let's just damage armor. Guys, we actually have 585 iron. Jeez! Sheesh. Let's just collect some emeralds. Oh, wait. And epic battle scene of betrayal. Smack once, smack twice, and smack again, and... Oh! That was funny. Ooh, vending machine airdrop. Ooh, lucky airdrop. Alright, guys, let's go for these purple lucky blocks. Oh, guys, I see another lucky airdrop. I saw it. It was on the corner of my screen. Time lapse again, guys. We are just getting a ton of emeralds. 8 emeralds is enough. Bing, bing. Guys, I should have paid more attention. There's something I really should have. Look, right here, tornadoes. I saw them. I saw them coming. Oh my gosh, guys. Yep, I should have paid more attention. I was gonna blow up my balloons, unless it sent me into the death zone, which it did. Look, right? Yep, and all my balloons popped at once. And that's the story of how I died. Which is very sad. Okay, so Gompy the Ghost Hunter apparently has some ghosts. He's just trying to... This is what happens when Gompy goes free for a week, guys. It was supposed to be my thing. Okay, anyway, here is the last part of the video. We are going to reveal who won in 3, 2, 1. Who won it? And... George! Oh my gosh, guys. Congratulations to George. Huge shout out to George. Hashtag Georgie. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I hope you had a good time. Hit the notification bell. Bye!